2011 Ford E150, cranking but not starting. New fuel pump, everything is kinda newish, and the guy in a shop said it's a fuse box. Goes on. Now it's on. Yeah. Now it's everything working. I didn't touch anything. Clean it here a little bit. I don't know what this wire means. It's like ground wire because it's coming from here, under here. Nobody knows who put it there. And just unstrip this, guys. So I thought if something is broken here, but we can hear it's on now whole time. I'll turn it off, turn it on again, and it dies. So tell me what's wrong. Now it's on again. And died. So I did the module on the back, and it's still the same thing. I did this module and nothing changed.